Well folks, this is Marty out here in Ozark Outdoors. Got a couple Grendel rifles out here again today. Found some ammo I thought I'd do a little test on. And it's some Hornady Black 123 grain boat tail hollow point. This one is Anderson Arms lower and Bear Creek Arsenal upper. 24-inch stainless barrel on it. And this CZ 527, it has a 24-inch barrel on it as well. But I'm going to try this here Hornady Black ammo out. See how well it does out of both of these guns. I'm just going to shoot it at 100 and at 200. I didn't bring the chronograph with me. Went off and forgot it, but if the ammo turns out to be pretty good, I may do another little test on it sometime with the chronograph and maybe stretch it out farther. But a 100-yard 5-shot group and a 200-yard 5-shot group, we ought to be able to see what kind of groups these two rifles will produce with them. So let's get down to it. I shot both groups on 9 power because that's all the scope I have on the CZ. Didn't really want to give an unfair advantage to the AR. See here, a damn pig's been rooting in my yard. I run over it with the truck and kind of mashed it back down a little bit. Hate them some bitches. Well, this was a group from the CZ. This was the AR's group. Put 2 in the same hole there and 1 there. I didn't see those through the scope. They're off a little bit. I guess I probably neither one any better than the other. Looks like a couple in the same hole there. Guess we'll try it at 200 and see how bad they get. I have saw it at times. Groups before it at 100 yards didn't seem to be very good, but when I shot them out to 2, 3, even 400, it seemed like they got better instead of getting worse. I don't know if that'll happen in this case or not, but it was generally really long, skinny bullets that I had that happen to me, like 140s and 6.5s. But these 120s aren't a real long bullet. Well, that's interesting. 4 shots with the CZ inside of an inch at 200 yards. 1 down here out of the group. Out of the AR, they all hit low. There, 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 and there. There's not really any wind today to blame that left to right on. And it didn't seem to do the same thing with the CZ. They pretty much stayed in the same area there. I'll mark these and I'll go back and shoot 3 more just out of curiosity, see if they stay in that area. I'll hold up here with the AR, see if I can get them on the paper there. So I got them marked. Let's go back and try it again. here at 200 yards. I got to thinking about it before I go up there and look at the last few shots I shot at 200. The box says to zero of them 2.3 inches high at 100 for a 200 yard zero, and that's pretty close. It's about 2 inches high probably here at 100 yards with the CZ, and the CZ put them at 200 yards just barely below the bullseye. But the AR, it was pretty much on at 100, so 2.3 inches at 100, when you multiply that out to 200, that's putting you close to 5 inches low, and that's probably about how low they hit, 5 to 6 inches. So we'll go back up here to the 200 yard target and look at it. I just fired 3 more rounds at both targets, just out of curiosity, just to see if they'll continue hitting in the same spot on the CZ. And I aimed high with the AR instead of making an elevation adjustment. Well, the last 3 shots out of the CZ was there, and there. That's probably a half-inch group, just those 3 shots here at 200 yards. I'd say that one there was probably my fault. I don't know what happened there. Maybe just a weak powder charge. I don't know. But folks, that ain't too bad for factory ammo out of a little pencil barrel gun. I mean, you can see the barrel, the tip. I mean, it's small. My finger's bigger. You know, it's just a little skinny hunting rifle barrel. That's not bad at all. I think I will have to do some more testing with that ammo at 300-400 yards maybe out of that rifle. But the AR is a totally different animal here. And I was holding here. Like I said, it's zeroed at 100, whereas the CZ is zeroed about 2 inches high at 100. And it says it's going to need 2.3 inches of elevation to hit at 200. And with the AR zeroed at 100, it put them down here. And what aiming up here at 200 yards, which is about 6 inches of drop here. I gave it about 5 inches in, about 5 inches, and one of them was a little, I don't know, just it's not good at all how they are. The bullet drop is pretty close. I would say that the actual velocity is a little less than what's advertised on the box, and I'll put a picture of that up when I get done with this video. But no way to know that is getting the chronograph out. But I'm pretty happy with that. There's 5 shots there inside of an inch. And then these 2 here will probably make it an inch and a half for 7 shots here at 200 yards. Not bad at all, I don't think. Not for just a 3-9 scope and pencil barreled hunting rifle. I think that ammo's pretty promising for that little CZ rifle. Just going to show you also there's plenty of clearance in this CZ magazine. just fine down in there. Quite a bit of room there at the tip. The chart on the back of the box says 2.3 inches high at 100 is 0 at 200. Roughly 10 inches low at 300. And 27 at 4 and 55 at 5. Anyway, I think I did find something good for this little CZ rifle. It's a pretty good little cluster right there. And the good thing about it is it shoots in the same spot that the 120 grain soft points that I deer hunt with shoots. I didn't have to mess with the windage at all. It's right in there. A lot of times hollow points for me don't shoot in the same spot that ballistic tips or soft points do. But anyway, it's Marty, Ozark Outdoors. Good luck in all your adventures. Thanks for watching.